We have created the model of matte foundation by defining different materials such as M40 concrete and HYSD 500 rebar. We have defined the slab properties of footing. We have defined the thickness of footing. We have defined the column properties and soil substrate properties. We have assigned the different load, different dead and live load to the different columns. There are two types of columns, 500 by 500 and 600 by 600. Now we will run analysis of the design. We will check the punching shear. As the punching shear values of each column is less than 1, our design is safe in shear. Now we can see the values of different forces. We have selected load combination 2, load combination 1, and we will see the values. By hovering the cursor, we can see the values of the combination. We will see the load case values. These are the values. In resultant forces, we can see the maximum moment. These are the moment values. By hovering the cursor, we can see the values. We can see the strip forces of dead load in moment of layer A. We can see the values of layer A. Now we will see the values of layer B. The values are visible to us. By hovering the cursor, we can see the values. In the same manner, we can see the values of load combinations. We can see now the reinforcement values of layer B. These are the values. By hovering the cursor, we can see the top and bottom reinforcement values which are coming. We can see the values of layer A also. These are the reinforcement values of layer A. We can also see the crack widths. We will see on the bottom face of the slab. Here we can see the crack widths, and on top face we will now run the detailing. We can see the rebar table and rebar schedule, in which we can see every diameter of bar, its shape code, and every information we need, bill of quantities. We can see the rebar plan. This is the top rebar plan, in which we can see all bars in top reinforcement. Bottom rebar plan. This is section 1, in which we can see the section of profile, section profile of reinforcement. This is section 2. Reinforcement profile of foundation along layer A. And reinforcement profile along layer B. Thus we have done the analysis and generated the detailing of foundation and its different plans we have seen.